Hi everybody, I am Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the 7 dumbest animals in the world that will make you stare in belief? If you thought only humans are capable of acting extremely dumb, making you think if there was deep schism in their brain, then you are so wrong. Yes, there are some exceptionally dim-witted animals who will display behaviorally otitides like some humans do by hitting an inanimate object because it hit them. Here's presenting the 7 dumbest animals on earth. That's some dumbness indeed. Kakapo, also known as the parrot owl, freezes when it sights a predator. We think kakapos served as inspiration for the widely played red light green light game. Humans have an incredible belief about the effectiveness of their own abilities, in other words, their intelligence. However, some humans are inclined towards anomalies like my neighbor, who will try to spruce up his dog's appearance by swaddling him in superhero inspired costumes. What does my neighbor really think? His dog's paws are going to squirt cobwebs? Or hell, fly him on the different planet if some Armageddon was really to strike Earth? How really let's just say less intelligent of him. Did I tell you that he even howls with his dog sometimes, as if trying to prove that he is a good howler between the two? I think just did. Haha. Sometimes I think my neighbor really goes out of his way to blur the lines between intelligence and stupidity. Hey, and do you know that dogs probably don't see us as different entities, maybe just as some distant cousins of theirs that stand on its hind legs all the times and talk in the esoteric language but less intelligent nonetheless. We think we have jostled enough with the humankind, so let's now move on the dumbest animals on earth. This part is so going to make us feel better all over again. No, but those cute creatures, really? Unfortunately, yes, pandas are quite stupid and dispassionate beings for starters. Well, maybe there was some old pandas greaser that held strict beliefs over chastity. We don't know, but someone got to tell them that if they don't give serious consideration to family planning, they will not extend. Pandas, despite him having a digestive system of a carnivore, maintaining a ridiculous botanical diet of bamboo, how stupid can one be now? With the giant body, we feel that any little animal will willingly feeling itself in the panda's arms and beg it to eat it, but the panda would still refer to nose on bamboo. With pandas being the most unromantic species to live on planet Earth, it will not come as surprise that they don't make example parents. However, such is height of apathy towards the young ones that the mother doesn't even know the streaky little black and white balls are her own kiddos. Forget that mama panda will also try to quell their screaming by rolling over them. I am glad that I was born as a human baby, and I love you, ma. We are so used to having our pets follow our whims and wishes that when a certain dignified and aristocratic silky haired dog chooses not to give a hoot to our orders, we bill it as stupid. It's entirely not true, but Afghan hounds have a mind of their own and are pretty dance to act, let alone acting as per your wishes. We couldn't just help but spot a resemblance between Afghan hound and a certain white wizard. Its silky smooth and shiny hair can also remind some of a possessed hag with disheveled hair for scary effect. Okay, so what makes Afghan hound less intelligent than other dog breeds? Nothing at all. He prefers to do what he likes, that's about it. Nonetheless, he makes up for its dim-witted behavior by his royal appearance. Turkeys don't just make scrumptious Thanksgiving meal, but also make for less intelligent or more appropriate confused animals. Turkeys, we reckon, are a bunch of existentialists forever cogitating ways to confuse people with highly complex cant, or else why on earth would they stare at the sky for 30 seconds even when it is raining? Remember though that is goofy and aimless behavior of turkeys can be ascribed to the condition called tetanic torticolor spasms that is believed to be hereditary. Not just that, they have monocular vision, which is kind of a cool thing because it means that they can see George Clooney for one eye and Brad Pitt from the other. This is so helpful when two good things people are looking standing meters away from each other and you don't know whom to look at, but with the turkey's eyes you can see them both. But at the same, they act uncool by cocking their heads at one side. These creatures have inspired a whole generation of shapeless, good for nothing sleeping beauties. That appearance itself is a good suggestion about their less bright bulbs. You don't be surprised if you told you that act dopey like forever and once in every week come down to release contents from their bowls. Baby sloth are very clumsy, as they are most likely to mistake their own arms for branches and in a bid to grab them, they fall. Now that is something. When two humans have conversation that probably talk about things like politics, games, babes and complicated things, but when two sloths talk, of course, when they are awake, they only have two common topics to talk about: food and sleep. Simple, we envy this lifestyle. When winters approach, squirrels become insane and go about stockpiling acorns and stuff them into different places so that they can snack on them later. However, their real smartness is revealed when they are around like headless chickens trying to remember to place where it hid the acorns. Just when I was talking about my grandfather's failing memory that makes him do things like rummaging the whole house for his glasses when they are pierced on his shiny head and eaten, I was totally astonished to find the squirrels to have a sleeve-like memory. Squirrels, I thought, were like the smart as sleuths that did they work furtively a la ninja style. But this belief, alas, turned out to be a fallacy. We'll just say ostrich make an astounding aberration by having oversized eyes and undersized brains. Going by the size of their brains, we felt compelled to have them in our list. Ostrich don't come with looks that can make Megan Fox go weak in her knees, neither do their dancing in backward circles as applying enough to impress Lane Goodman. We think this pretty much say everything about them. Flamingos, despite having two locomotory sticks to run and walk, make use of only one. This preferential treatment of one leg over other is also maintained during the sleep. Related post, a list of endangered animals that will make you stare is disbelief. Global warming and uncontrollable expanding human population has led to the extinction of many animal species from Earth. The following article on endangered animals list shows those species who face the top 10 most aggressive and untamed animals in the world. With the number of animal species on our planet for exceeding in the million mark, compiling a list of 10 most aggressive animals can be a daunting task. We tried our smartest animal in the world that will leave you dumbfounded. Do you want to know which are the smart